This session is in continuation of the part 2 of the startup project for PRINCE2 methodology, and let us recap it. And we have seen all these activities in the chart mentioned, like we have discussed it to nominate the PRINCE2 project executive and the PM and the steps involved in that activity, and how to capture the previous lessons. If they are not available, what are the steps we are supposed to follow, and what kind of risks mitigations can be identified, or how to cope up with those things. And if you do not have the experienced resources to follow the PRINCE2 methodology to cope up with the expected deliveries of the project, or to satisfy the client, you need to hire an experienced PRINCE2 practitioner consultant, where that person can guide the teams on timely delivery purpose by following the methodologies to satisfy the client. And now we are going to move forward with other parts. Let us see. Now let us see the next step, which is how to design and allocate the project management team. Once the project executive and the PM have been appointed on the project, they need to work together to identify the project business case, and then they need to work out on the roles required for the project. Then the roles and responsibilities need to be defined upfront with the required skills. Then the resources fulfillment can happen very easily. Let us recap all these things. Now you have a project executive and PM, and they are well aware of the PRINCE2 methodologies, what step need to be followed in each stages of the PRINCE2 methods, and they have the high level business case, and they need to work closely with the business people and with project board to drill down the business case definitions, the costing, budgeting, operation methods, such kind of things. From those defined areas of the business case, they need to work on the roles definitions for the project on different activities or stages of the project. Now once the roles and responsibilities are defined, resources fulfillment need to happen. They need to do the recruitment for the people of the project activities or stages. These roles can be there for particular activity or for particular stage of the project only, or some of the roles can be there till end of the post implementation. Let us say the PM role is very critical, and it is very essential to be there till the sign up happens for the post implementation of the project. Like PIR, after post implementation review, there will be sign up for post implementation review. Then if you see the project executive, also he should be in parallel to the PM. He need to continue till PIR or closure of that project. So these two roles will be lifelong of the project. They need to continue. And if you see some of the technical leads or developers or business analysts, depends on the activities and depends on the need basis, we need to recruit them and nominate them for the project under that role. And once that stage or activity has been completed, you need to revoke their roles to save the project costing. So these are the methods we are supposed to follow to design and allocate the project management team under this project startup activities. Now you can look for the next part of this session, where separate video has been made to sustain with the constraints of the YouTube.